Hi, welcome to mathematics. In this video, we want to simplify 7 divided by 2 raised to power 5 divided by 2. So guys, let's go. Let's see solution. We have 7 divided by 2 raised to power 5 divided by 2. And from here, let we have, sorry, so we have 7 divided by 2 raised to power. This can be expressed as 5 times 1 over 2. So from here, let's recall that if you have x raised to power a times b, this is equals x raised to power a raised to power b, product power law from the law of indices. So applying this to this, we will have 7 divided by 2 raised to power 5, then is again raised to power 1 divided by 2. So from here, also let's recall that if you have x divided by y raised to power a, this is equals to x raised to power a divided by y raised to power a. So applying this to the above, we'll have this 5 will be distributed to both 7 and 2, right? So we'll have 7 raised to power 5 divided by 2 raised to power 5. So then we have raised to power 1 over 2 for both of them. So here, let's perform a simple arithmetic here. So 5 raised to power 7 raised to power 5 means 7 multiplied by itself in 5 places, 5 times. So we have 7 times 7 times 7, so times 7 times 7, right? So also 2 raised to power 5, we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Then we have raised to power 1 divided by 2. So from here, we know that this can be expressed, we can just take 2. So we have 7 times 7 will give us 7 square, times another 7 times 7 will give us 7 square. So we are left with 7 here. Also here we have 2 times 2 will give us 2 square. 2 times 2 will give us 2 square. Then we have times 2. The numerator and denominator is raised to power 1 divided by 2, right? So from here, let's recall that if you have x divided by y raised to power a, this is equals to x raised to power a divided by y raised to power a. Applying this to this, so we have this 1 divided by 2 distributed both numerator and denominator. So we will have 7 square times 7 square times 7 raised to power 1 divided by 2 divided by, so then we have 2 square, right, times 2 square times 2 raised to power 1 divided by 2. So from here, let's recall that if we have x times y raised to power a, this is equals to x raised to power a times y raised to power a, which means that we are going to distribute this raised to power 1 over 2 to each of these, and as well applies to the denominator. So we have 7 square raised to power 1 over 2 times 7 square raised to power 1 over 2 times 7 raised to power 1 over 2. Also, the denominator we have 2 square raised to power 1 over 2 times 2 square raised to power 1 over 2 times 2 raised to power 1 over 2. And if you look, you know this will cancel this cancel this cancel this, and this cancel this. So we are left with 7 times 7, 7 times 7 times 7 raised to power 1 over 2 divided by, we have 2 times 2 times 2 raised to power 1 over 2.